watermark to each page with TIFF Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users can add text stamps, image stamps, page numbering stamps, and date and time stamps to created files. A watermark can be created using either a text or image stamp. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, Color Optimized TIFF, because I still want to create color multi-page TIFF images. I just want to add a watermark to the created TIFF file. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Color Optimized TIFF with Draft Watermark, and add with Draft Watermark to the description. Go to the Stamping tab. To add a text watermark, select Add a Text Stamp. You can then change the text to what you want displayed. In this example, we will leave it as the default text, Draft. You can also adjust the font type, size, and color. I will increase the font size to 72, and I wish to create an outline style stamp. Under Position, you have the option to include the stamp on all pages, the first page only, even pages only, odd pages only, or all pages except the first page. You can add transparency to your stamp and adjust the alignment. As we are creating a watermark, I'm going to center it on the page, and therefore will leave both the horizontal and vertical alignment centered. However, you may wish to stamp the top of the page and therefore would change the vertical alignment to top. Lastly, I want to rotate my text stamp so the text is on a diagonal. So I will change the rotation degree from 0 to 45 degrees. When you are done making changes to your text stamp, click Save and Back. And now let's repeat this process to create an image stamp. Create a copy of the system profile Color Optimized TIFF and rename the profile Color Optimized TIFF with Logo Watermark and add with Logo Watermark to the description. Go to the Stamping tab. To add an image watermark, select Add an Image Stamp. Select the folder icon to browse to the location of your desired image. In this example, I am adding our logo as the watermark stamp. You can adjust the image size if necessary. Again, under Position, you have the option to dictate which pages to stamp. You can add transparency to your stamp. For this example, I will make the image 50% transparent. Lastly, I will leave the image aligned in the center of the page without any rotation. When you are done making changes to your image stamp, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select Color Optimized TIFF with Draft Watermark as the default profile. Rename this printer to something like TIFF Image Printer with Draft Watermark. Save your changes. And then copy the printer and make the default profile Color Optimized TIFF with Logo Watermark. Rename the second printer to TIFF Image Printer with Logo Watermark. And save your changes. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to TIFF Image Printer with Draft Watermark, each page of your image will be watermarked with the text Draft diagonally across the page. And when you print to TIFF Image Printer with Logo Watermark, each page of your image will be watermarked with your logo at 50% transparency centered on the page. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.